Chapter 6. Computer Memory. Chapter 7. Data and Information. Computer Memory. Units of computer memory. Memory storage devices. Just as our memory helps us to remember things, a computer also has a memory to remember and store lots of information. Let us read about computer memory and how it stores data and information in it. Data and information. Any text, number, image, audio or video which we enter into the computer is called data. Data is raw and needs to be processed. When data is processed, organized and presented in a meaningful way, it is called information. Data, process, information. For example, data, marks of a student in each subject. Information, total marks of all the subjects of a student. Average marks of the student. Computer memory. We know that different types of input devices are used to enter data and instructions into the computer. A computer stores these data and instructions to carry out tasks. But where are these data and instructions stored? The computer system has different storage areas where it keeps data or information permanently or temporarily while working. This storage area is known as the memory of the computer. The computer has a large memory. Units of computer memory. When we enter data into a computer, it is converted into two digits, 0 and 1. Each digit is called a bit, binary digit. A bit represents a state of on and off for a machine. The binary digit 1 represents on state and the binary digit 0 represents off state. A bit is the smallest unit of computer memory. A combination of 8 bits makes 1 byte. 1 byte is used to represent one character of data. The CPU converts the data we enter into binary digits before storing it. Bit equals 0 or 1. 8 bits equal 1 byte. Computer storage is measured in bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, etc. The more bytes the computer has, the more storage it has. 1024 bytes equals 1 kilobyte KB. 1024 KB equals 1 megabyte MB. 1024 MB equals 1 gigabyte GB. 1024 gigabyte GB equals 1 terabyte TB. 1024 TB equals 1 petabyte PB. Memory storage devices. Computer stores data in devices called memory devices or storage devices. There are two types of memory devices: primary memory devices and secondary memory devices. Computer memory. Primary memory, RAM, ROM. Secondary memory, hard disk, CD, DVD, Blu-ray, pen drive, SD card. SSD. Primary memory devices. Primary memory is also known as internal memory or main memory of the computer. CPU can directly read from and write to this memory. Primary memory is of two types, RAM and ROM. RAM, random access memory. It stores data and instructions temporarily. It means that the data is stored in it as long as the computer is not shut down. When we start the computer, the operating system is loaded into RAM. Any program that we open is also loaded in RAM. When we type some text on the computer, it is saved in the RAM. But when we shut down our computer, RAM gets cleared and everything in it gets erased. So, RAM is a temporary memory or volatile memory. ROM, read-only memory. It stores the startup instructions for the computer. It holds these instructions even after the power supply is switched off. Hence, it is a permanent memory. These instructions cannot be overwritten, but can only be read. Secondary memory devices. Secondary memory is needed in the computer to store information for a long period of time. It is also called external memory. The secondary memory is permanent, which holds the data even after the computer is shut down. Examples of secondary storage devices are CD, DVD, Blu-ray, pen drive, SD card, hard disk, etc. CD, compact disc. It is a portable storage device that stores data permanently. Its storage capacity is up to 700 MB. There are many types of CDs. CD-ROM, CD read-only memory, CD-R, CD recordable, CD-RW, CD read-write, DVD, digital versatile disk. It is also a portable storage device. It is similar to CD, but it has more capacity to store data. Its storage capacity can be up to 17.08 GB. Blu-ray disc. It is a scratch-resistant disc that can safely store data for a long time. It uses blue-violet laser light technology. Its storage capacity can range from 25 GB to 50 GB. Pen drive. It is a portable storage device that can be carried in a pocket. It is also called flash drive or USB drive. We can use a pen drive to transfer data from one computer to another computer. Its storage capacity can be up to 1 TB. Hard disk. It is the main secondary storage device that stores large amount of data permanently, which can range from 500 GB to 5 TB. It is present inside the CPU box. A hard disk stores operating system software, application software, and all other files and folders saved in our computer. External hard disk. This hard disk is connected externally to a computer through a USB port, just like a pen drive. It can store large amount of data, just like an internal hard disk, but it can be carried along. SD, Secure Digital Card. It is also known as memory card. It is a tiny storage device that is generally used in mobile phones, digital cameras, tablets, etc. It is available in different storage capacities like 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, 32 GB, and so on. SSD, Solid State Drive. It is a latest technology which has begun to replace the hard disk. It is at least 3 times faster than the hard disk, but it is little expensive than a hard disk.